tayo ay babalik sa simula.
Through the years, we have faced obstacles, some harder than others, that have helped us build the strong foundation of our relationship.
But we always find our way through together, and it is somewhat on the way us stronger.
Maybe you say, really meet their present, your welcome husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church.
Yes, Father.
Sa ating paglalakbay,
You are my greatest peace, as love, my happiness.
It has shown me your enduring love, constant support, and silent strength.
pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas nating pagtingin, at kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumaan ay gumidain. Tayo ay babalik sa simula. Dumating man
Our heart is overflowing with love, kindness, and gratitude. This good of life, let all you provide.
I promise to make you laugh when you're taking life too seriously. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to put you first and never lose our spark.
Really do you take, maybe their present, your welcome wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church. Yes, Father.
pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas nating pagtingin.
Our journey as a family has only just begun and can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
No matter what it is to hold, we promise to always stand by this man. Every birthday, and cherish every moment.
Sa simula, kung naliligaw,
Today we will bring my mother gifts. Because you are the gift and guardian of family, proud friends.
Babe, you are the person I choose to spend forever with. As my true soulmate, I choose you in 2015 and choose you today and will continue choosing you forever. I love you.
ating sayaw.
And with you walking down the aisle, knowing that from this day forward, you will face everything from higher and higher together. I love you and every day. You are loved.
Tayo ay babalik pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas nating pagtingin, at kung ang dulo ay nakatanaw, sumpal ay gumitain. Tayo ay babalik. Tayo ay babalik. Tayo ay babalik sa simula.